Hi, I'm Sarah Humke, and I'm the head of R&D for Wild Interiors Plants. And today we're talking about black thumbs, or I like to say, the myth of the black thumb. I usually say that there are three kinds of black thumbs. One, there's the person that buys a plant and completely forgets they have it. So they may buy their plant, put it on the windowsill, and then just walk away from it, and 3 months later come back and go, oh no, I forgot about this, and their plant is completely dead because they never watered it. The second kind is what I call the forget and make up. They buy the plant, they forget about it, they see it, all of a sudden it's wilty and unhappy looking, and they start over-watering it, which is just as bad as completely forgetting about it. And they kill it eventually from kindness. So that's also not great. The third group is completely unrelated to the first two groups in the fact that they buy a plant and every single time they see it, they go buy it, whatever, they have to water it. They kill it with kindness. They water it all the time. And I've heard a lot about this since the pandemic started and people were socially isolating themselves in their apartments. A lot of houseplants got a little too much attention. So I do have some plant suggestions for at least the first and the last group. The middle group, folks, I can't help you. You just got to work on that, okay? Like make the watering a little more spread out. But the first group, if you are a buy it and forget about it kind of person, I would strongly suggest Sansevierias. Now, Sansevierias are basically my go-to houseplant for like everybody because they are so durable and so easy. I once heard a story from a coworker of mine about how they rearranged the furniture in their house and they've accidentally put the Sansevieria kind of behind the couch and forgot about it for 3 months. They remembered it and it was perfectly fine. It looked like they had just put it back there. So these guys are very durable and they will tolerate extended periods of drought pretty well. Just don't overwater them. Another one that does well with neglect would be the ZZ plant. These guys are a little more foliagey, but trust me, they are tough. And they don't like being overwatered, and they don't like too much attention. So they're actually a really great plant for a person who has a tendency to kind of forget that they have houseplants. Now, the third type of person who has a tendency to kill plants with kindness, a good plant for that would be a peace lily. These guys are basically water plants that we force to live out of water. I've seen them in botanic gardens being grown as water plants in ponds. So they will take pretty much all the water that you throw at them and then some. Anyway, that is what I have to say about black thumbs. Don't be one and go out and get you some education.